Hi everyone, I'm Nikki and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I couldn't think of a better way to kick off this channel rather than giving a tour of my newly finished kitchen box. And I'm basically doing an SUV conversion with my Jeep Grand Cherokee, and so let's get started. Okay. So I just unlatch the box and then just pull it all the way out. It's right now being carried or being put together by these drawer sliders, which can carry up to 200 pounds. But first I'll talk about the sink. So here is the faucet. It's collapsible, so make it more compact. Here's the bar sink. The faucet itself is connected to a 12-volt pump that can just run off my car, and then it draws water from my 7-gallon storage tank, which is located in the very back of the kitchen box. In order to activate the water, I just turn on a little switch on the side, and then that basically pressurizes the line and then draws in the water, but it won't actually pour out the water until I turn the little knob. So let's try it. Just like that. And so then the water drains out, and then it goes into a storage container that I have on the side, and then I'll dispose of the gray water at an appropriate disposal site. And that is the sink and everything about that. Before I talk about the stove, I wanted to show that the front of the kitchen box actually doubles as a collapsible little table. And so this is awesome because it just allows for extra space to set things on, and yeah, super helpful. But underneath is really cool too because there's a drawer that pulls out. Just slowly goes down and then you just pull it out, and it just has some random kitchenette material that makes it easy to just keep around. And then when you want to put it away, you just go like that. There you go. Let's talk about the stove. This stove is definitely not meant to be a part of a kitchen box, and so we had to do a lot of adjustments in order to get this thing to work, but I just loved the way it looked, and so we just had to make it work. But it's a dual propane burner, and it also connects underneath. There's a line that connects to the propane tank on the side, and in order to activate it, there's also the little button on the side that allows me to ignite, and then it just runs off of the propane. The thing that's pretty unique about this kitchen box is that it has a USB hookup also, so if I want to charge my phone, I can just plug it into the box. And yeah, so in order to put it away, I just turn off everything. I unplug both of the hoses down there, and then I just fold this. Pull this up, pull this down, and I just push it in. And there you go. Thanks for watching this video, and let me know what you think.